Here we're going to do a perspective that has an alternate way of measuring if you don't have a ruler. Here's using just a simple piece of notebook paper, folded paper, whatever it needs. Here's a box over the horizon line. And here's the paper showing you the division. Here we'll start off. So here's the ruler rotating to try to get the horizon line with the two vanishing points at 2 inches, which is a quarter of the way down. And the vanishing points on the left and the right. Let's show this image real quick. And again, here's the picture. There's the box we'll make, simple. Here's the division methods. There's the paper. So instead of using a ruler, we bring it in and use it just a simple piece of notebook paper. So here we'll just take the line tool and simulating this drawing in Illustrator. And we'll go ahead and section this piece off. Here's this one line, top and bottom to the left vanishing point, other two to the right, and then create just an arbitrary length and width. And then just choose a little bit of a lighter line on the new layer just to do the hidden lines of this first so you can see it. Make it a little bit easier to visualize the piece. So line segment to the left and right. Make this just a light color. Hopefully you can still see that. And with the snap to guides, everything lines up pretty easily in Illustrator. So there's the box shape, all 6 sides of it. Hide that layer, put it on a new layer above it. You're just going to take and use a baseline from the 90 degrees and bring over the notebook paper. And you'll notice that it's bigger than 8 lines of notebook paper. It goes all the way down to here, so I'm going to have to double it. So just take a segment here. Let's just try it again. I'm going to extend this line a little bit. I'm not going to need that. If you're on your paper, you might have to implement that. Try and separate that over a little bit. And just put a mark here so you know how far to take it. And in Illustrator, you're just going to take the picture, group these two together, and then just put the center of rotation and rotate this apart. And it kind of lands right on it. There's 8 pieces, 2 spaces for one segment. There's your ruler guide just to show it to you. Disappears. We just put a line segment going across. Just make it a line of black. Just extending this piece down so it comes across. Now I have one line. And coming down on this piece here to separate this so it has 7 spaces. And now I can just take that and group this together. So now I have one line segment as one piece. So now I'm just going to set this part up and take the direct selection tool just to show it to you, see if this will work. Get that piece, highlight everything, and average the points so it jumps right away. And just put it right on the vanishing point. This is in the isolation mode. So just take those 2 pieces out here. I can just duplicate this or rotate it real quick. Place it into position and move it over. And I just need to get that. It's a little tricky. If you grab one, you only get 1 stroke. So draw a direct selection box around it. Make sure you use the direct selection tool and then move it right over there. Now you have 2 sets of lines, and now it's just a little tedious just putting all these lines back, but at least you'll get to see where it goes. And we're creating a horizontal plane with this, and this is going to build this up a little quicker. So all the sides of this come across, and building this piece across is going to make that section. So you have those panels, and pretty much have it done. So it's divided into 8 spaces, and you can use this as an easy measuring device. So you can just take the pen tool. It has fill a black for the line, and just fill it with a gradient, and just modify the gradient right there. And that gives me that piece. Take the pen tool, go the opposite direction, and fill it with a lighter fill. Gradient annotator, just kind of stretching it across just to give it a color. Here we're just going to use the cache shadow to line up exactly, so we're assuming the sun or light source is directly above that vanishing point. So here we'll just modify it, take off the stroke, and use the gradient. Oops, a little bit lighter color. here's what it looks like, just with the lines, a little bit of a shaded piece on either side. And now the next part is to try to divide it and using that measuring device. So we'll just do equal first one through, and in Illustrator just taking a line that comes across, so we'll take the line segment tool, just put us on another layer just to make it easy. But this tool is just crossing the diagonal, so since it goes through corner to corner, it's going to divide it vertically into 8 spaces. So just taking the line segment tool, just simply extending this case with the Illustrator, and just using it and holding the space bar down once I start or establish the line, and it lets me move it around a bit. So I can line it up with it. There's a couple of ways to do it. This just kind of making it easy. And that gives me that section. So pops it right on there. And there's the segment. Right on the top there. Now you can see there's 8 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the same as I've done with the other ones, I'll just group that together in a minute. And do the same here. Just take the direct selection and swing this the other way. Now I can do 8. I'm just going to rotate it to 5, so it just goes up 5 spaces. And it helps me divide this. And you can see how you can, don't use an ellipse, just use the line segment. Same idea, just starting it, shift view with the space bar, and it sets it up there. So it's a quick way in Illustrator just to set this up. And you'll soon see that it comes up. And do this off screen, but just grouping all that together, duplicating it, just using an arrow keys to nudge it across a little bit, and you have perfectly set it.